Hello everyone, I hope you are well and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you are in my channel, please subscribe so you can see the latest and the best solution for different IT problems that you face during your working day. At this video at Learn Tech, I'm going to show you how you can create and add an electronic signature to a Word file or PDF. But before we start, I want to explain shortly what is the difference between digital signatures and electronic signatures. Generally, unless they state differently, someone that requests you to sign documents online or to have an online contract signed will be using electronic să fim tot electronic
Electronic signature.
But the first part is not bad. That's why